The Psychology of Creativity, Understanding the Creative Process. Title: The Psychology of Creativity, Understanding the Creative Process. Introduction. Creativity is a fascinating and essential aspect of human existence. From art and literature to science and innovation, creativity allows us to explore new possibilities, solve problems, and bring beauty into the world. However, the process of creativity is often mystifying and elusive. In this article, we will delve into the psychology of creativity, seeking to understand the underlying mechanisms and stages of the creative process. Defining creativity. Creativity can be defined as the ability to produce original and valuable ideas, solutions, or expressions. It involves the generation of something new and unique, coupled with its usefulness or relevance. Creativity can manifest in various domains, including artistic endeavors, scientific breakthroughs, entrepreneurship, and everyday problem solving. The creative process. While creativity might seem spontaneous and unpredictable, it actually follows a general pattern. The creative process typically consists of 4 key stages: preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. Let's explore each stage in more detail. 1. Preparation. This initial stage involves gathering information, exploring different perspectives, and immersing oneself in the subject matter. It often entails research, brainstorming, and acquiring relevant knowledge and skills. During this stage, individuals consciously familiarize themselves with the problem or project at hand, setting the foundation for generating creative ideas later on. 2. Incubation. Following the preparation stage, the mind enters a seemingly passive phase called incubation. This stage involves a temporary break from conscious problem solving and allows the unconscious mind to process and reorganize the gathered information. While it may appear as if nothing is happening during incubation, the brain continues to work on the problem behind the scenes, making various connections and associations. 3. Illumination. The illumination stage is characterized by sudden insights or aha moments. These breakthroughs often occur unexpectedly, seemingly out of the blue. They are a result of the unconscious mind's processing during the incubation stage, where ideas, connections, and solutions emerge into conscious awareness. Illumination is often experienced as a burst of creativity, where the pieces of the puzzle come together. 4. Verification. After the illumination stage, the creative process moves towards verification. This stage involves evaluating and refining the ideas generated during the illumination stage. It requires critical analysis, experimentation, and feedback to determine the viability and effectiveness of the creative output. Verification ensures that the creative ideas can be practically applied or expressed in a meaningful way. Factors influencing creativity. Several factors influence an individual's creative abilities and the overall creative process. Let's explore some of the key factors. 1. Domain expertise. Having substantial knowledge and skill in a specific domain is crucial for creative output. Expertise allows individuals to identify gaps, make connections, and push boundaries within their field of interest.